The password of your Instagram can be reset easily, and your old account of Instagram can be recovered easily as well. Want to learn how to do it? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorial Spawn. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice or the app itself. For that, tap on the suitable web browser, tap on the search or type web address, enter here instagram.com. This will take you to the official website of an Instagram. Since we are trying to reset the password of our Instagram account, tap on forgot password. Enter your email address, phone number or username to recover it so that they can send us a login link. Tap on email, phone or username. I have just entered my phone number. Now I'm going to tap on send login link below. They have just sent us an SMS. Tap on OK. So that's a link there. I'm going to tap on this notification here and then tap on this link above. Tap on copy, go back and tap on this address bar on the top. Enter here the particular reset link and just go for it. As you do it, you will see that now you have an option of creating a new password and confirming the new password once again. Tap on new password and create a new one. Tap on confirm new password and enter the new password once again. When you're done doing it, scroll down and tap on change password below. As you do it, you can see that your password has been reset and you are successfully logged into your old Instagram account. So this is how you reset the password of your own Instagram account. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.